Today we're going to be taking a look at the Optronics Identification Light for trailers over 80 inches wide. This is a 3-light kit. The black molded wiring harness is going to feature the 3 red uni-lights. These are sonically sealed. They got a nice waterproof design when it comes to the housing and the lens unit, so these lights are submersible. Now it's an LED system. LEDs are going to make great replacements for incandescent lights. They last longer, they burn brighter, they're much more efficient. You don't have to worry about replacing bulbs and you don't have to worry about brittle filaments. The unit is made from a poly-carbonate construction when it comes to the lens and the housing. You'll notice that it does include a grommet for each light, so it is a recessed mount installation with the included black grommets. On this side right here on the other end of the harness, we're going to have a 3-wire design. So these are going to include the 0.18 male bullets. Now these can be cut for hardwire applications. Your white wire is your ground connection, black wire is for power, that's for your taillights, and then red wire is for your brake light. The unit is Department of Transportation compliant. These are P2 rated lights. When it comes to the individual light dimensions, these are going to give us a diameter measurement of 3/4 of an inch, and they're going to give us a depth measurement of 7/8 of an inch. Now the grommet, that's going to measure 11/16 of an inch in diameter. When it comes to the length of the harness, overall length, we're looking at 198 inches. That's going to be about 16.5 feet. And then you can see at this point right here at this junction area, it goes to the individual lights. Those extensions are going to measure about 15 inches each. The unit contains 3 LEDs, 1 LED per light. The power draw at 12.8 volts is 0.047 amps. And Optronics is going to put a lifetime warranty on the LEDs. We're going to go ahead and hook it up to our external power source. That way you can see what it looks like with power running to it. We'll also be able to turn off our overhead lights so you can see it in a low light setting. So here you can see that the light sends out a really nice consistent signal. Again, a total of 3 LEDs, 1 per light. This is going to be the tail light or running light feature or function of the lights, and then when we apply the brakes, you can see how those illuminate for a stronger signal output. I'll do that once more. So that's the tail lights and then the brakes. That's going to do it for today's look at the Optronics Identification Light Kit for trailers over 80 inches wide.